Alright guys, on a quick examination here of the carburetor, I got that off. Down here, I found one of the plugs already that is cracked. So, it's leaking vacuum there for sure. I'm still going to go ahead and take it apart. See what else I can figure out, if there's anything wrong with it. I don't know what the deal is with it, but I'm going to get, like I said, I'm going to take it apart, I'm going to clean it up. I got to get a new vacuum cap there. That's the trouble with a lot of this stuff you buy anymore. It's crap. You know, it's just crap. You buy vacuum plugs and they last a week or two, and then they all dry out and break or fall off, and you got to replace everything. So, I had one guy tell me to check this, make sure it's not warped, so I'll bring that in and I'll put a straight edge on here and put a feeler gauge on this and make sure that this thing didn't get hot at one time. It's warped a little bit or something. But I'm just going to go ahead and keep going. I think I'll go ahead. I got to take throttle linkage off. Oh, I've mentioned this before in a couple videos. I really need a throttle linkage set up for an automatic transmission. What I've got is that one there is for a 3-speed, and it doesn't have the right linkage for the kickdown lever, so I got to find that. It was really hard finding that one. But that's what I need. I need an automatic throttle linkage for a 289 engine. Just a regular 2-barrel carburetor. So, anyways, I guess the next thing I'm just going to pull, I'm going to pull that valve cover gasket off. At least one of them, so I could get the manifold off without it getting hooked on those things and stuff. So I'll get working on that, and we'll just keep on going. Okay guys, we're ready to pull the manifold off. I think I got everything. Oh. Stuck. Oh, with it being that stuck, I would have thought it wouldn't have leaked, but apparently it leaks. Heavy. Come on. There we go. gotta get it off of there. Interesting. Well, wait a minute. There could be. Oh no, I thought that was a break in it, but it's not. It seems like the gasket's sealed pretty good. I don't know. I don't know what was wrong with it. Hard telling. I got new ones coming, so it doesn't matter. We're going to put another set of new ones on. I'm going to check this and make sure it's flat. Hard telling, but I'm going to keep working on it. I think really that's about all I can do today. I don't have any parts to put anything back together, so I'm just going to clean up stuff again, check that manifold, clean the carburetor. I'll probably pull that other valve cover off and get that cleaned up and dried up, so when I get the new covers or gaskets, I'll be able to put everything back together. So I guess I'll go ahead and, well, first of all, I really appreciate it if you guys that haven't subscribed to my channel, if you would, please, it's really going to help me. I'm struggling to get subscribers. This is going into my third year now, trying to get my YouTube channel going, and it's just doesn't seem to be going real well. I noticed yesterday that I lost all my view hours from last year again, so I'm basically starting all over. So watch these videos to the end. You know, share them with your friends, family, you know, anybody that might be interested. Like I said, if you haven't been a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, and you know, leave comments if you guys got suggestions on what to look for in this engine. I'm always open to listen. So let's just go with that, and I will let's just end the video here, and I'll just see you on the next one, and thank you for watching.